Obol Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Obol Wallet app has been making waves for its innovative approach to decentralized staking and validator management. But is it truly the next evolution in crypto wallets, or just another niche tool for advanced users? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Obol's standout feature is its distributed validator technology, or DAVT. This allows multiple participants to run parts of a validator collectively, increasing security and uptime while reducing the risk of single-point failures. In simple terms, it makes staking safer and more decentralized. Obol empowers users to participate in Ethereum staking without needing to run complex hardware setups alone. By collaborating with others through div clusters, users can share rewards while maintaining trustless validation. It's a massive step toward democratizing Ethereum's proof-of-stake model. Another strength is its open-source architecture. Transparency is key in the crypto world, and Obol's code is public and verifiable. This fosters community trust and allows developers to contribute improvements. Security is also top tier. Because validator keys are distributed across nodes, it's almost impossible for a single point of failure or attack to compromise funds. That's a huge advantage over traditional solo staking setups. Now, the cons. Obol's focus on staking and validator technology makes it more technical than a standard wallet. It's not designed for everyday transfers or holding dozens of coins. Its purpose is specialized. Additionally, while the technology is groundbreaking, it's still early stage. The network and tools are evolving, which means users might encounter bugs or need to rely on community support for troubleshooting. Finally, because it's decentralized, there is no centralized customer service, which might be challenging for less experienced users. In summary, the Obol Wallet app is a powerful innovation for the future of Ethereum staking. It's secure, community-driven, and built to enhance decentralization. But it's best suited for advanced users or validators who want to dive deep into distributed staking. For those users, Obol could truly redefine what trustless collaboration in crypto looks like.